This is how to run cheap Facebook advert. As you can see, we have so many adverts here, so we'll be working with this one that said watch. As you can see, we have over 1,400 clicks. Amount spent is 4,000 plus. Impression is 7,000. Reach is 7,000. As you can see, so this ad is three naira per click. Imagine you pay somebody 3 naira just to click to your site. So that's very cheap. So you can see the graphics, the demographics, you can see the reach and everything. So I'll be showing you how to set up a cheap Facebook advert, and I'll be showing you the results at the end of the video. Okay, as you can see we have 17,000 naira as our balance. So this is the advert. So let's edit it. So as on this advert, we set daily budget as 5,000. Then our target was Ghana and Nigeria. So this one thing people get from when they are running advert, they target both mobile and laptop. When you are doing, if you want to get the cheap adverts, target only mobile. Okay, you can see this is the site I'm running the advert to. You can see we have from 13 to 15 online visitors. These are the people currently on the website. So you can see the people. Today was 1,400. Yesterday was 1,300. Though I started the advert yesterday late. So you can see the people active. The people currently active on the website. We have 4 people currently active, and they are all from Nigeria. So this is how to run a simple advert. So this is our ad manager. So today I made $6. So let's refresh. Let's refresh it. Okay, voila, we now have $7.27. So the time is just, let's check the time. The time is just 7 minutes after 2. So before the day runs out, the amount it might amount to $30. So let's check yesterday. Yesterday I made $10 because I started around 3 p.m. I said the advert around 3 p.m. yesterday. So today I have 7.27. So this is the website. So let's check the overview of the traffic. Okay, today we have 1,430 people. Yesterday we have 1,300. So the country, their browser, and everything. So let's refresh our balance. Okay, from 17,700 to 17,600. So once your balance is decreasing, your earning is increasing. So if you want to run Facebook adverts, go for mobile to get a cheap advert. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.